Are you ready to learn 5 new English words? This week's topic is payments and records, and there'll be a quiz at the end to test you on the words. So let's go. Payment. Payment. It's a noun that means money given to someone for goods, services, or to pay a debt. Here's an example. Delay their payment. Delay their payment. Ever had a client delay their payment? Ever had a client delay their payment? Ever had a client delay their payment after you've posted their food photos? Yes. I insist on a deposit up front. That stops me from chasing payments for months. Let's review. Say this out loud. Payment. Payment. Say this out loud. Delay their payment. Delay their payment. Say this out loud. Ever had a client delay their payment? Ever had a client delay their payment? Attendance. Attendance. It's a noun that means the number of people who go to an event or are present at a place. Here's an example. The attendance. The attendance. The attendance was incredible. The attendance was incredible. The attendance was incredible. Over 300 people turned up. I'm worried our permits and insurance don't cover that attendance. Let's review. Say this out loud. Attendance. Attendance. Say this out loud. The attendance. The attendance. Say this out loud. The attendance was incredible. The attendance was incredible. Ensure. Ensure. It's a verb that means to make sure something happens or is true. Here's an example. Ensure every guest loves the meal. Ensure every guest loves the meal. I want to ensure every guest loves the meal. I want to ensure every guest loves the meal. I'm hosting a pop-up tomorrow. I want to ensure every guest loves the meal. I'll ensure each order matches the name to avoid chaos. Let's review. Say this out loud. Ensure. Ensure. Say this out loud. Ensure every guest loves the meal. Ensure every guest loves the meal. Say this out loud. I want to ensure every guest loves the meal. I want to ensure every guest loves the meal. Milestone. Milestone. It's a noun that means an important event or point in your life or in a project. Here's an example. A real milestone. A real milestone. This launch is a real milestone. This launch is a real milestone. This dinner launch is a real milestone for me. Sit back. I'll make those shots legendary. Let's review. Say this out loud. Milestone. Milestone. Say this out loud. A real milestone. A real milestone. Say this out loud. This launch is a real milestone. This launch is a real milestone. Invoice. Invoice. It's a noun that means a list that shows what you need to pay for things you bought or services you used. Here's an example. The invoice. The invoice. I got the invoice for the cookware. I got the invoice for the cookware. I just got the invoice for the new cookware and it's nearly twice my budget. Oh, I'm sure they slipped in a panic buyer fee. Have you checked the invoice's small print? Let's review. Say this out loud. Invoice. Invoice. Say this out loud. The invoice. The invoice. Say this out loud. I got the invoice for the cookware. I got the invoice for the cookware. It's quiz time. Let's see how well you remember the words from the last 5 lessons. Ready?
Payment.
Attendance.
Insure.
Milestone.
Invoice.
Great job! Follow English Class 101 for more English lessons.